Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete YouTube search history on cell phone. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch your YouTube application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now, the second thing to do here is to click your profile at the bottom right corner. You should click this one. Now, if you want to delete a video on your history, you just have to click this view all. Then you can simply delete each of the video here that you have recently watched. Okay, so let me tap this one and I can delete. But if you want to delete all of your recent researches here on your YouTube or search history on your YouTube, then you have to click this gear icon or settings. Scroll down till you see this manage all history, tap this one. Now after that, you have to scroll down again. And then here you can select if you want to delete all your searches or if you want to delete a specific date, and also you can custom. So you can just simply scroll down here till you see delete and then tap this arrow beside it. Then you can see here options such as delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. So everything is up to you. You can also tap this calendar icon and choose what days to delete. So you can tap the specific date here and then confirm and then delete. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.